show you. So for example, because of the tracking in the floor, we've got seating. There's another seat there as well. But in the back, come over here, this is how we've altered it slightly. Come over here, you press that button there, and we have life. We've got lights throughout, including underneath here for reading whilst you're driving. Opaque blinds, really nice, nice finish on them. Air conditioning up here. Obviously we put some USB ports in because that's what the customer wanted, and also a double bed at the back. So yeah, this is like as good as it gets in my opinion for a base vehicle.